Sunday. Today what story, Mummy?
Today we are going to see a story of Naughty Pinto and Dragon Flim. Ready to hear the story?
Yes.
Okay.
Shall we start?
Yes, we will start. Come, let's go. Master Pinto, a very naughty boy who troubles his mother, friends, and everyone. Everyone know him as a mischievous boy who lives in the Dreamland colony.
Oh,
Then I'll tell you. One Sunday, Master was thinking that he could not do any mischievous work. So, what can be done today? He thought to catch butterflies, dragonflies, and to tie a rope to it.
very bad boy.
You know what Pinto does usually?
No.
I will tell you. The naughty Pinto, he ties rope to the tin boxes to the tail of cats, dogs, and many animals. He used to scare those animals and laugh at him.
Oh, so sad.
Yes. Are we supposed to do like that?
No.
Yes, we are not supposed to harm any animals, insects, or anyone. Yes?
Yes.
And we should not laugh at anyone.
Yes.
Hmm.
Hi, Mummy, butterfly.
Colorful. One butterfly saw Master Pinto. The butterfly thought to teach him a lesson. So, what happened? The butterfly touched Master Pinto with magic spell.
Magic, Mummy.
The butterfly magic spell changed Pinto to a very tiny boy.
Ayyo.
Yes. So what happened? He could not able to lift his clothes. The dress did not fit him. And even he could not lift his money. The poor, tiny, mischievous boy, Mr. Pinto. The angle butterfly took Pinto on its wing. Pinto was very thrilled to travel in the air sitting on the butterfly.
Super. Wow.
The butterfly took Pinto to a very far distance and said, "Hey, Pinto, we animals and insects have a very less life. We want to live happily, but you naughty mischievous boy, harming insects, animals, and everyone. I want to teach you a lesson." So what Butterfly did? Butterfly dropped Pinto in the garden. Pinto was so hungry. He ate chunks which was left in his clothes.
Oh,
Pinto.
poor Pinto. In the what is this, Mummy?
It is a bird.
Bird?
Yes, a tiny pigeon saw Pinto and took pity on him. It took a leaf and left over Pinto and made him sleep.
Nice pigeon.
Yes. Suddenly, group of ants attacked Pinto and dragged him to the ant king.
Oh my God.
Pinto tried to escape. Soldiers ant tied him on his back. The ant king asked him, "Who are you?"
I'm Pinto.
I am Pinto. I was caught by a butterfly. On touching, I was changed from a big boy to a tiny boy like worm. Then the king said, "Oh, you are the naughty boy who troubles all the animals, insects, and your friend. You killed lot of our ant soldiers. Is that you?"
Yes.
You should get a punishment. The ant king asked his soldiers to throw him out in the sunlight.
No, please.
No, you should get the punishment.
Mm.
Pinto saw his friends running and playing in the garden. Pinto got scared on hearing the footsteps of his friends, who looks like a giant. No one noticed him. Pinto started running around
Ah!
to escape from them and hide behind the bushes. Pinto saw a snake creeping in the grass towards his sister. Pinto shouted, "Hey sis, sister, snake is behind you. Run, 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 run." Pinto's sister couldn't hear his voice.
Then what happened?
Now, Pinto crept inside his house and cried, "Oh God, save me. Hereafter I will not harm any animals, insects, my friends, family, or anyone. Please save me." Pinto folded his hands in front of God and Angle Butterfly. Now, Angle Butterfly got pity on Pinto and again, with its magic touch, changed him to his original form. Pinto was very happy and thanked Butterfly. Thank you, Butterfly.
Thank you, butterfly.
Pinto told his dad about the snake. His dad called the snake charmer to catch the snake. Now, Pinto changed as a good boy or bad boy?
Goodbye.
Yes, Pinto changed as a very good boy and he respects all animals, insects, friends, and family. Now, all are happy for the change in Pinto. That's all is the story. So, kids, don't be like Pinto, who is naughty. Always be a good kid. I hope all kids are good kids. Prajin, are you a good kid?
Yes.
What about your friends? Are they good kids?
Yes.
Very good. Now say bye to your friends.
Okay, bye bye, friends. Good night. See you.